Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Alice and I do videos about minimalism but in a more realistic, sustainable and possibly fun way. And today's video will be a mix between a creative DIY video and a decluttering video. So it is divided into two parts. In the first part I will build with you my mood board or visualization board, and in the second part I will finally declutter the drawers in which I put all of my picture cards, papers and things like this, so that I will decide what to do with them, which one needs to be thrown away and which one will make it into my mood board or will be added to my picture album. So without further ado, let's get into it. Actually, no, with a little bit about you. As always, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This would absolutely help the algorithm to pick up my video, and I would absolutely love to have you back. So if you consider to do that, thank you so much. And if you don't, thank you anyway. I hope you will continue watching. The first step is obviously to find a board, and this took a little bit of time because I wanted something like a cork board that was very easy to stitch things in and out and to change the array or to change the pictures if I ever wanted to. And I also wanted it to find it secondhand, so it took a little bit of time, but I was super lucky because I found this board on Facebook Marketplace that first of all, it has a very nice frame and it goes amazing with the rest of the room just randomly, so that was fantastic. But also it is magnetic, which means that I can attach all my pictures without having to ruin them because I don't have to pin them, which is amazing. So step number 2 was to find and decide what pictures to add. I had 3 different goals in mind: style, lifestyle and careers, and I wanted to have at least 2 pictures for each of these goals, and I also wanted the pictures to go aesthetically nice with the rest of the vibe because I wanted to keep my environment like nice, aesthetically pleasing, creative and all of this nice stuff. So basically I did have a color scheme, surprise surprise, that was basically all the pastel colors that went very well with the rest of the room. So few pictures, sorry, I basically chose them from my Instagram or Pinterest board, and then the next part was convincing my boyfriend to set up my board, and finally to decide how I wanted them to go. And with that, they are kind of divided. There is an order in them. Might not be that obvious for you, but it definitely is for me, and that's what really matters. So I have some pictures of places I want to see, I have some pictures of people that are really inspiring for me, etc, etc. And the other pictures are all things that as I said, they were cards from brands that I received with different orders. I didn't want to throw them away. I really liked it at the picture or the color scheme, so I decided to integrate them in my board. I was already working with pictures and cards. I thought that could have been the best moment to finally tackle the drawers in which I chunked all my pictures and cards, basically. So if you have seen my desk tour, then you know what I'm talking about. If you didn't, you should. But basically I had drawers in which I chunked everything, and I always wanted to go through everything and decide what to keep, what not to keep. And I wanted to make a nice album with all of my pictures, and I thought, why not, it's finally the time. So the album is, surprise surprise, pink, but also this is a very old album that I bought. I think I was still the first years of university, and as often things go, I started it and never finished it. So, and now I am basically completing it. Instead of throwing it away, I'm finishing it. So I went through all my pictures and selected the pictures I wanted to keep. I deleted the ones that were basically too ruined to be able to reuse them. I tried to clean, some of them still had tape glue on them, so I tried to clean them. It didn't work for all of them, but okay. And then when it comes to the cards, I basically threw away the ones that were just saying, you know, happy birthday, or cards from brands that didn't say anything to me. I didn't like the pictures, I didn't really care, I was just keeping them for the sake of keeping them. And then the cards that really had a message in them, I kept them.
Alright, so this is all I have decluttered. I am so happy with it. And then here we have my album. I am even more pleased with it because now all my important pictures are categorized by theme and they are all nice and tidy. So I actually look at them, because before it was such a mess that I was not looking at them. So what was even the point of keeping them? Here it's all stuff for my boyfriend, so he has to look at them. And this is my drawer, my pride and joy. Now it's all nice and tidy. You can see how it was before. Now it's so much better.
Thank you so much for watching, as always, and until next time, stay safe and bye.